Hello my friends, today I will show you how to install we call this in French, suspension, which basically is a lamp that you are attaching on the ceiling. After the works, this abat-jour really helped out for having a better light, but now time has arrived for changing for a real lamp. Let's have a little look on the lamp. So this lamp is recent. So here the connectors are already included, including an earth wire. And for the rest, it's very classical. You have this holding device, which you have seen in my video about how to fix a wall lamp. And the other thing is that there is a wire which is quite long. So we will be cutting this wire for adjusting it to the right length. So just to start with, you can see here that there's a kind of block which is for holding the cable on the holder. So this blocking factor, you can open it with a screwdriver. And now the cable can move. I'm also removing this. Let's get rid of these little storage devices. So now that we've opened this little device, we can pull the wire. It's a nice wire with some textile around. And we have agreed with my wife a length of this type, really short. So now I can already block the cable. So now we don't need all this wire here, so I will remove the excessive part. First of all, I'm unblocking here. This here is the wire for the earth, so we'll be careful of not eliminating this one. So I will just cut the little holder. And this now is free. There was here this little plastic, so I will just push it back until the arrival of the newly placed cable. Okay, so for deciding where to cut, I'm taking a bit of margin so that we are sure to be able to reach the connector. In the wire here, we see that there are only two wires, blue and brown, the line and the neutral. So there is no earth because the earth is already here, directly connected on the metallic part of the lamp. My very nice cable stripping device is too big, so we won't be able to use it. So I'm just taking a cutter. For being highly perfectionist, I'm adding what was already in the lamp. It was slightly too short, so I'm taking some wire on the other side.